Another area where the price tag shows is the display. Yes, it's a good size at 5.7 inches, and has the currently favored 18:9 aspect ratio, but it's only 720p, in other words HD, but not full HD. Again, it seems to us that the time for 720p budget phones may be about to pass. Even the £95, $149, 199 Australian dollars, Alcatel 3 volts manages 1080p. At 720 by 1440 pixels and 5.7 inches diagonally, the screen comes out at a paltry 282 pixels per inch. That's not great, and a slight softness of text and icons is noticeable, especially up close. There's a good range of brightness levels, though, and both color and touch performance are perfectly good. In fairness, a lot of people won't notice the lower resolution screen, but it's still disappointing to see only HD when other brands have proven full HD can be workable at this price and even lower. Another big omission is NFC. You won't be able to use Google's contactless payment tech, Android Pay, on this handset as a result. Even at this price, that's pretty disappointing. On the bright side, the 7A is one of the cheapest phones to include Face Unlock, if that's important to you. We tried fooling it with different hairstyles, makeup and glasses and it still worked, albeit slightly slower than other phones. But as ever, it's worth remembering that this type of unlocking is less secure than using your fingerprint, and since it seems to be an afterthought on this phone, it was added using a Node update. It's probably not the most robust version of this feature. We couldn't fool it with a photo, but we still wouldn't put all our trust in it, especially when there's a fingerprint scanner right there.